So the fund has really helped us to gain expertise in chemical engineering processes in specifically ammonia synthesis. So having Ming and Peter to call on, who are academics and experts in the area, has been really beneficial. We were also able to access softwares that are very expensive and actually we potentially wouldn't have a lot of need for later on. By having these things, it's enabled us to speed up our production and get to a prototype much sooner. This has been very focused on what we needed to do as a business and much more in an engineering and scientific way. Lots of accelerators are quite generalist. By being specific and giving us access to the chemical process engineers and academics we needed, it's been a game changer. So now that we've got the full process engineering design that was delivered as part of the Technology Accelerator Fund, we're going to take that away and build it, and then some of our challenges move to more engineering challenges. We've just entered into a collaborative grant with Cranfield, and if we are successful with that, then we'll move into a more reactor design and look for efficiency benefits. If you truly believe that your company is green and can make a difference, this is one of the best forms of non-dilutive funding that I've come across. Thank you for having the vision to understand that there's a lot of people trying to work on big problems. Big problems take a lot of resource. So understanding that that resource needs to be deployed early has been beneficial to us, and it will make a big difference to the bigger problem and solution.